Welcome to Core English. In this lesson, we'll discover the two types of letters in the alphabet and a very important type, vowels. In the last few lessons, you've been working with most of the alphabet, but 5 letters in the alphabet, A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes Y, are special. They are called vowels. Every word in English needs at least one vowel sound. When you say a vowel, the air flows freely from your lungs through your throat and mouth without obstruction. These letters are special because they carry the sound in a word. They help you say a word. Without them, the word would sound blocked or broken. Consonants are the other letters in the alphabet, all the ones that are not vowels. When we say a consonant sound, the air from our mouth is partly blocked by our lips, tongue, or teeth. For example, to say b, your lips come together. To say t, your tongue touches the top of your mouth. To say s, the air flows through a small gap between your tongue and teeth. That's what makes consonants different from vowels, where the air flows freely. Y is sometimes a vowel when it takes the place of I or E. It behaves like a vowel at the end or middle of words. We will say some more on that later. For now, let's look at the regular 5 vowels. Each vowel has a name, and it also has a sound. Remember, each letter has a name. For example, A, B, C, D. But today, we're focusing on the sound, like A in cat. These sounds, when they come from a vowel, are given a special name called short vowel sounds. They are the most common sounds used in simple words. Let's build and read some words using short vowel sounds. We'll break each word into sounds and then blend them together.
K, A, T, cat. B, E, D, bed. S, I, T, sit. D, A, G, dog. S, A, N, sun. Now it's your turn. Say what the short vowel sound is in each of these words. Hat, pen, fish, mud, log.
Very good! These are all words using short vowel sounds. Today, you learned that vowels help us say words clearly. You also learned that each vowel has a basic sound, called a short vowel. These short vowel sounds are used in thousands of English words. Knowing them helps you read, listen, and speak more clearly. Now download the Lesson 4 practice sheet at our website, coreenglish.org, and do each of the drills at your own pace until you are confident you know the vowels and their short vowel sounds. You can refer back to this video at any time if you need to. In the next lesson, we'll practice even more short vowel words. If you have found this video has helped you, then help us out by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Or please consider making a donation to support our work at our website, coreenglish.org.